So this is the star of the show. We're using a red wine, Cabernet Sauvignon right here. So we're gonna put that off to the side, but I want to talk about all the other stuff. Come on, Hope. Anyway, she's giving me a minute. So anyway, we got the ribs. They're beef ribs. We got some leftover spinach I'm throwing in there. I got leftover vegetables. I got some onions. I got carrots. I got radishes. I got spinach. So all those are going in this sauce too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a wine conglomerate of stuff. So we're really laid back right now today. We're not even planning on filming today. So I just know something good's coming out of this, and I kind of wanna film it just in case. You ever film just in case? No, you haven't. But anyway, I do that a lot. So we're going to use soy sauce. We're going to use fish sauce. We're going to use sesame oil. We're going to use more beef bouillon cubes. Put a little drizzle of some teriyaki sauce. Mine, best teriyaki sauce you'll ever taste. And that's about it. We're going to throw all this together. So I'm filming this raw. Okay, I haven't planned this out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just opening stuff. I'm going to do it all by eyeball. You can see kind of how much, probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons, probably 3 tablespoons. Give that a base. And I'm going to add the wine in last because, unfortunately, it comes out really slow. But there you go, about 3 tablespoons. I'll give you guesstimates, but this is how I cook. Okay, so then we're going to put in about 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. There we go. And then we're going to put in this is the fish sauce. We're just going to put in about, let's see, it comes out slow. About 1.5 to 2 teaspoons, excuse me. About 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil and the fish sauce because they're very strong. So I didn't want too much. And then we're doing you can do a whole bottle. I don't have a whole bottle, but you could throw a whole bottle in if you want. Okay? Let's throw that in right now. Of soy sauce. How many ounces? 10 fluid ounces. I'm probably putting in 8. So I'm probably doing about a cup's worth of soy sauce. I'm putting in 2 bouillon cubes. So be ready for I'm doing bouillon cubes, the basic ones from Kroger. But get 2 of those. Just to give it a beefier flavor. We'll mix that up. This is going to get poured into the pressure cooker with the wine. I'm adding about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of wine. That's what I decided. 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Depending on if you like wine. If you don't like wine, you can leave it out. This will work. But I got everything mixed in here. I'm going to drop my 2 cubes in as soon as I unwrap them. And that's going to be it. I'm going to zap it in the microwave for a minute just to get it warm so these bouillon cubes will dissolve. Okay? All right, let's put in our vegetables first at the bottom because I want them to catch all the flavor and marinate. So I'm putting my carrots in right now. I had some leftover carrots. Remember the onion ring episode I did? Well, I got plenty of those onions. And you know what? They're all bunched up, so I'm going to break them up right now. All right, guys, let's start with the juice. That's our mixture with the fish oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, all that. It's going to obviously have like an Asian flavor. We got that in there. And we got about 1.5 cups of red wine in there too. All right, so then we're gonna put this in there. This in here. I'm gonna grab one of those Cosmo Q's seasonings that I like so much. Just gonna add a little bit of this in there. There we go. That's a little Texas beef seasoning in with our wine and everything else. Put that back there. Let's get it plugged in. There we go. Make sure it's sealed. All right, guys, it's all fully loaded. This is dinner. I have no idea what it's going to taste like. I threw it together within the past 5 minutes. I had the meat defrosting all day, but all this other stuff I just came up with No idea if it's going to be awful, but we'll try it out. Remember, it always drips, so you got to lift it up and let it drip back in. Oh, wow. Like half the bone is exposed. Wow. All right, this is what it looks like. Look at that. The bones are almost all out. That's crazy. That looks amazing. Look at that. Get it over there. Nice. All right, guys. Flavor's great. She knows. She knows. I promise you, she knows. I don't know how she knows. I don't know how they'll know. I feel like a TikTok video. Anyway, flavor's great. I'm putting it on for 10 more minutes. Hold on a minute. And I'm going to make it a little bit more tender. The flavor's right where it needs to be. I love you guys. I got to go deal with this.